Good afternoon, Thrivers from Hyderabad. This is Shivangi. I am so excited to tell you that Thrive is bringing the StrengthsFinder workshop to Hyderabad on the 9th of February. I'm just coming out of a conversation with a very excited Thriver who was able to really articulate her strengths in a way that got her a promotion and the sort of job that she really wanted. And it set me thinking how important it is for us to have a language to be able to speak about our strengths and put our best foot forward. Antje Bauer, who is a corporate leader with around 30 years of international corporate experience, is going to be conducting this workshop. And I think it's really a privilege for Thrive that Antje has done this workshop in multiple cities around the world and is now going to bring that to Hyderabad. I really hope you can benefit from it. And please drop me a note once you've attended the workshop. I'm fairly confident it will be one of the most transformational experiences for you. See you there.